You have probably seen those impressive images of deep sky objects. However, when you look at a single image like this, you will notice a lot of noise and only a few details. To improve these images, astrophotographers use a special technique called stacking. So welcome to the new episode of Learning Astrophotography in 1 minute. In astrophotography, stacking refers to a technique where multiple images of the same object are combined to improve the signal-to-noise ratio and to improve the quality of the final image. First, you need to capture multiple exposures. The more images you use, the more details become visible. After that, you just need to upload these images into a stacking software like Deep Sky Stacker. Because these objects appear to move slowly across the sky due to Earth rotation, the captured images need precise alignment before stacking. This is usually done using specialized software that recognizes stars in each frame and aligns them. This process is also managed by the stacking software. For example, you can use Deep Sky Stacker. So in summary, stacking is used to capture detailed images of objects such as galaxies, nebulae, or star clusters. Without this technique, many of these objects would be challenging to detect due to their low brightness and noise in our images. If this short video was helpful, feel free to subscribe to my channel.